Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update on my 1000 Day Challenge. So today is day 795, so let's get things started. So there's no change in terms of equity balance right now. So just give me a little minute. Okay. So as I was saying, right, there's no change in the equity balance. In addition to that, across the board, we did see a very nice green bullish candlestick on the daily chart across all equity market, both US and also China equity market itself. Of course, China equity is not such clear kind of a bullish engulfing kind of a green candlestick, but nonetheless, it's still from a green candlestick. And in terms of KREP wise, we do see forming the candlestick itself at a very key support level itself, which is at the $24.20 itself. So on the other hand, ASH itself, I'm not entirely that bullish, even though right now it does seem like it, but it could potentially be a retest over here and then a continuation towards the downside. So maybe let's take a look in terms of the previous historical. Why did we actually support? Okay, so this will actually be the one is to the first Fibonacci retracement kind of a support extension support in that sense. So this will actually be the 1:1.272 kind of a Fibonacci support in that sense. So yeah, potentially we could have a very nice bullish engulfing candlestick on the weekly chart as well, but we still have 3 more days to go. So let's see how things goes. And in terms of KREP wise, we actually did form a very nice bounce across this very key support region itself, which is supported once, twice, third time, fourth time itself. So now the question is, will we be able to form higher high than this? We definitely do want that to happen, in which case if we do happen itself, then there will be a very clearer kind of confirmation of reversal pattern in that sense. All right, finally, if we go over to the Bitcoin itself, crypto market itself, we're actually a little bit lagging behind. So you can see that the market itself, even for S&P 500 and Nasdaq, it actually bounced much stronger. But bearing in mind that prior to that, it actually did drop sharper as well. So that's something to always take note of. So right now, we definitely do want Bitcoin to at least close above the 50 single moving average on the daily chart, something like this. And we do not want a repeated kind of a bearish break again tomorrow itself. And do bear in mind that we are not seeing in terms of a spike in terms of volume wise. So definitely right now, I would still say we are clearly still in the consolidation phase, and we have not yet break out in either direction itself. So when we do break out, we definitely do want to see this kind of very strong reversal. This will be a much more significant in terms of volume wise and also in terms of price action wise. Similarly, we have it over here, whereby we have a very strong break towards the downside. So yeah, and similar over here, we have a very strong bullish outbreak, and then we have a continuation towards the upside. Then over here, we have a very strong bullish support, and then we continue towards the upside for a short while before we actually have a retracement in that sense. So these are the kind of confirmation pattern that we do want, both in terms of price action and the volume wise as well. All right, otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.